Hi all, today I am sharing the recipe to make wedding style chicken popcorn. This recipe was requested by my subscriber family, so I thought of making it. Alhamdulillah, as you can see, the chicken looks exactly like the one you have at wedding, and Alhamdulillah it tasted exactly like wedding chicken popcorn. So to make this, I am going to take 300 grams of boneless chicken which I have cut into cubes, and into marination I am going to add 1 spoon of salt, a pinch of oregano which gives a very nice flavor into the chicken. Also adding 1 spoon of garlic powder and 1 spoon of paprika powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use little bit of ginger garlic paste, and also instead of paprika powder you can use red chili powder. Adding 1 tablespoon soya sauce, and I am going to mix everything nicely. After mixing, you can leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. Now while the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the flour mix. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour powder and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, all in equal measure, a pinch of salt and half spoon of garlic powder. I am going to mix everything nicely using a whisk. Now combine everything well. Now into the marinated chicken, I am going to add 1 egg. Egg gives nice body and texture to the chicken. So I am going to add 1 egg, and also I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of cold milk into this. Now mix everything nicely. So after mixing it nicely, let's go ahead and go to the next process. Here I am going to take chicken one by one and drop it into the flour mix. So I am going to take around 5 pieces at one time, and I am going to drop it into the flour mix. Now coat the chickens very nicely with the flour. You have to coat it very nicely. Make sure there is no chicken left without the flour coated. So I have done this and followed the process for all of the chicken pieces. Now once you are done with all of the chicken pieces, there is some remaining sauce left. Now what I am going to do is I am going to repeat the process. I am going to take the coated chicken and then dip it into the sauce mix and again coat it into the flour mix. I am going to follow the same process. This gives an extra crunchiness and extra texture to the chicken. So I am going to coat the chicken, all of the chicken with the sauce mix again, and then coat it with the flour mix. So I am going to follow the process with all the entire chicken. You can see the texture of the chicken looks so nice and crumbly. Now into a hot oil I am going to fry all of the chicken pieces. So this is boneless chicken, it cooks very fast. So frying this approximately for 1 or 2 minutes is enough. I am going to fry this nicely until it changes its color to golden brown on medium to high heat. Now the chicken looks cooked. I am going to take it out, drain and serve it hot along with mayonnaise or ketchup. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Do try it in your house and let me know how it turned out. Also, you have visited my channel. I would request you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, and thank you for watching this video till the end. Bye guys.